Bring your home to a new level of comfort with our amazing H2O Air 2.0 compact humidifier. Here's why the H2O Air 2.0 should definitely be a part of your home. Healthy air for your family, compact and stylish design. Quiet and silent operation saves time and energy. Low price. Don't miss the chance to provide your home with healthy and comfortable air with Haven Hub.